Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you control the domain name you plan to secure. You must be able to add DNS records or respond to HTTP validation challenges. Generate a 2048-bit private key and a matching CSR on your server. Store the private key securely and never share it with others. Ensure port 443 is open on your firewall and your web server can serve the validation challenge file. Choose the certificate type you need, like single domain, wildcard, or multi-domain. Use Certbot with Let's Encrypt to obtain a free certificate that expires in 90 days. Install Certbot on your server package manager or use the official Snap on supported systems. Run Certbot in webroot mode or standalone mode to complete HTTP validation challenges automatically. After validation, Certbot will write full chain, PEM and privkey, PEM files to your system paths. Make a secure backup of these files and set permissions so only root or the web user can read them. Configure your web server to use full chain, PEM and privkey, PEM on port 443 for TLS. Restart or reload the server and then test with OpenSSL S client or an online SSL lab scan. Verify certificate chain, hostname, and expiry date to avoid warnings in browsers. If issues appear, check permissions, intermediate certificates, and correct certificate paths in your config. Set up automated renewal with cron or a systemd timer, so Certbot renews certificates before they expire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.